All right, so if you guys remember, water is made up of oxygen and hydrogen, and these guys form a bond by sharing electrons. But the oxygen has more protons, so it has a higher attraction to the shared electrons. So the oxygen gets the electrons a little bit more, making them slightly negative. And because the hydrogens get the electrons a little bit less, they become slightly positive. And then I'm just going to draw in those little sigmas, which means slightly negative and slightly positive. So water can dissolve CuCl2 since they both have areas of charge and are therefore attracted to one another. So I'm just going to draw my copper chloride and my water molecule with the charges. And then you can see there's an attraction between the -1 chlorine and the slightly positive hydrogens in water. And then, of course, we can also draw in the attraction between the positively charged Cu plus 2 and the slightly negative oxygens in water. And then I'm going to draw the Cu surrounded by the oxygens in water. And then, of course, the chlorine is going to be surrounded by the hydrogens first. So they just face a different way. All right, so now let's look at the ions that are in solution for CuCl2. So first I'm going to put my little oxygens and hydrogens in for water. And then just remember there's an attraction between water molecules, and the hydrogen can move along that hydrogen bond to form OH minus and H3O plus. And then, of course, we've got our copper 2 chloride that dissolves. I've got my Cus that are plus 2 and my Cl minuses that are -1. And just remember there's 2 chlorines for every 1 copper because it's CuCl2. So there's going to be more chlorines.